Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're a habitual overpacker like I am, then you absolutely need these compression packing cubes from LeanTravel. This set is literally everything you need for your trip. I always have way too many clothes but not enough room, but with these awesome compression packing cubes, I can fit just a little bit more clothes in my luggage for our trips. This set is awesome because it comes with 3 different sizes. It comes with 2 of each, small, medium, and large. This makes it really convenient for whatever you need to bring on your trip. These cubes are made of a top-notch polyester. Taking them out of the box to use them for the first time, just touching them, I could really feel how durable they were. I really also like that it has a mesh feature on the top. This makes it really easy for me to distinguish what I have in each different cube. Now, not only can these be used to compress your clothing to give you a little bit more room when packing, but what I really love is they can also just help you stay organized. When we're packing for our family, it's really convenient for us to use these for each of our clothes so we can separate and distinguish whose is whose. So even just having these fully expanded makes it so convenient for our family when traveling. I absolutely love how easy it was to use these two. So it has 2 different zippers. You zip the main compartment and then add a little bit of pressure to force out the air and zip that secondary zipper, which really compresses them. These packing cubes from LeanTravel have been awesome for us when traveling, not only at saving space, but really just organizing our family's clothes. And that's my point of view.